the fact that we go through these crowds of people of every race, color, and creed who are all just humans with red blood. This is breaking the will of the media that's trying to create racial division and trying to say that if you're not a white person, you can't, have guns or private property or a future. You don't have the American birthright. You don't have a future of wealth. That's your enemy. That's racist. This is a cult programming to make people poor and make them the slaves of the globalists who all over the world will play different groups off against each other. If it's Ukraine, they'll play Catholic off against Orthodox. Or if it's a country in Africa, they'll play the Christians off against the animists or the Muslims, or vice versa. It's all divide and conquer because the elite are destroying nation states and trying to make us poor. So, America died basically in the last few years. It was a globalist program, Bush's and Clinton's behind it, with criminal elements of the intelligence agencies. But America isn't just a person. Sure, a person doesn't get resurrected unless it's Jesus or Lazarus, but a country can come back from the dead. And America began to come back from the dead in the last few months and now has come back to life. The phoenix is coming up right now, and how powerful that phoenix is, how incredible that destiny is up to us. We are what breathes life into the spirit, it into us. And the enemy knows everything's energy. You see, forget all the religious books and all the stuff you get to hear from the preachers who are there to control the paradigm. The enemy wants to destroy our spirit, make us feel weak, so we don't take our birthright and destiny. We're taking the destiny in our hands. We're breathing life into it, and those devil worshipers up there, the enemy, Chucky Schumer, devil worshiper, Obama, devil worshiper, it's well known. These are devil worshipers. What's a devil worshiper? They want to hurt other people. They want to be number one. They don't like seeing somebody succeed. Okay? What's somebody that wants prosperity and renaissance? They want wealth, a cornucopia. They're not jealous of somebody that's got a big house or a good-looking wife or vice versa. As long as you don't take something from me, I think your success is great.